Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to use the Level feature on your iPhone. The first thing you want to do is locate the Level app on your phone. It looks like a yellow line and it has white ticks on the top and bottom symbolizing different forms of measurement, and the app is called Measure. So when we open this app, we're presented with a screen with degrees. And as I rotate it towards 0, it will turn green. So I'm rotating my phone horizontally here, and boom, the green 0, which means the surface is level. And then when I flip my phone, which I will do here in just a second, as I flip my phone, the degrees will change, like the orientation of the screen will change, and I can also hit 0 degrees here, so I can measure something vertically and horizontally. When you first open the app, you'll be presented with a camera, which is in the bottom left. And the way you get to this screen, you'll have to press the bottom right to get to that degree screen. Anyways, that was this week's Tech Tip Tuesday on how to use the Level on your phone. If you enjoyed this tutorial and are interested in enrolling in a full class with us, please visit mittlerseniortech.com. Thanks for watching.